You know, at Dave's Diner, we care about your health. I mean, who the hell wants to look like this? So with that in mind, we're introducing our new Sexy Honey Salad. It's also what we use to make sure the waitresses can fit in their uniforms. Okay, the first thing we gotta do is make our dressing for the salad, and this is a real basic, simple honey mustard dressing. What we have is a half a cup of mayo, 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then salt and pepper to taste. And then you just want to give this a mix and give this at least a couple of hours in the fridge, if not overnight. All right. Now let's move on to the honey garlic chicken. You're going to want to start off with 1/3 of a cup of honey. And get a little spoon because honey's notoriously tough to get out. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 6 garlic cloves that have been minced. And then you just want to grab some salt and pepper, of course, to your taste. Grab a whisk and whisk it up. And that's the sauce for the chicken. Okay, and in a pan over medium heat, let's cook our chicken. These are 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that weigh about a half a pound each. But honestly, if you're a little over, little under, it don't fucking matter. Then just season them, kosher salt and pepper, and then you just want to cook till they're 165 internally. Okay, and through the magic of cooking show editing, our chicken is done. Just checking to make sure it's at a nice 165. Remove from the pan. Set on a plate so the chicken can rest for a bit. Okay, then with that soy sauce we made, deglaze the pan a little bit and reduce the heat. Don't worry about this bubbling up, it'll come back down. Then return the chicken to the sauce mix. We're getting close to assembling the salad. And you can either spoon it over, but what I did was I just kind of turned the chicken over in the sauce and moved the sauce around it. So it worked out fine. So, next step, let's assemble the salad. Alright, really simple salad to assemble. Got iceberg lettuce as the base of it. Gonna add some croutons to it. And then we're gonna add some bacon bits because, well, let's face it, everything is better with bacon. And then that honey garlic chicken we made, I chopped up into roughly 1-inch, half-inch pieces, whatever. Chunks about that size. And then that dressing we made. And that's really it. Sexy honey salad. Done.